Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hadassah. So in this video I'm showing you guys how to sew a fly front zipper step by step. Kindly subscribe, but don't forget to like and leave a comment on the comment section. Yes guys, now these are the materials we'll be using in the video. We have our normal zipper for the fly, and then we have our two pieces of fly, and here is our left front piece, part of the trouser. So I'll just go ahead and stitch at the curved part like this. I put them 2 inches apart because you'll see what I'll do with that while I'm done. I'll now go ahead and trim the unwanted parts. Cut them into 2, and now for the right part of the fly, I cut out the lining, the cotton lining, completely. For the left part, I leave about half an inch, and then after unfolding it, I top stitch on the area on which I stitched. Straight stitches, guys. After I'm done with that, I'll now go ahead and fold the half an inch that we didn't cut out, and then stitch on it too, like this. Help you guys see what I'm doing. After that, I'll turn the other one, the right piece of the fly, and also top stitch on the area in which I stitched, like this. And we're done with that. Here's what we have after turning them. And I'll now put my zipper on the left fly piece on top of it and stitch. Just make sure your fly doesn't go beyond the zipper stopper. I'll now stitch on the left of the zipper as I'm showing you. And here is what you have, guys. I hope you see it. After that, I'll go ahead and measure 6 inches on the front part of the trouser, one of the pieces. I make my mark at the 6 inches, and then at the top part measure 1 or half an inch. Like in this case, I just go ahead and fold it from the upper part to the mark which I put. After that, put it on top of the fly with the zipper, and then I'll top stitch from the upper part down to the mark which we put, the 6-inch mark. Now let's see. Just make straight stitches here all the way, and here is what we have after top stitching. I'll now match the zipper the fly, I mean right side facing right side. And then make a mark to know where to stitch from. Now I'll not need to measure again the 6-inch. This will guide me while stitching. Now I'll put the right part of that trouser that's remaining on the mark, and I'll go ahead and stitch about a 1/4 inch down. After I'm done, here is what we have. Because this part is to remain folded, I'll go ahead and top stitch on the fly piece. You top stitch on the fly piece like this. This will help it to allow it to fold easily. Then I'll now join the two parts of the trouser up to the stopper of the zipper by stitching. Measure 1/2 inch and stitch it up to the stopper of the zipper like this. Now we have the two front parts of the trouser now attached together. I'll now go ahead and attach the fly also to the zipper. These are the parts which is not attached yet. I'll now go ahead and stitch it to the zipper. And I want to be very accurate, now I'll just go ahead and draw a line. So this will guide me while stitching. Now I'll go ahead and attach the zipper to the right side of the fly, which is not attached yet. And after that, everything is now all together: the zipper, the front pieces, and the flies. Now I want to draw the fly line. So that I'll make a top stitch on it. Hope you guys see what I mean. And that's the line on which I'll sew. I'll make straight stitches on the drawn part of the fly. Now we're almost done, guys, and here is what we have, guys, after stitching on top of the fly, the drawn part, and it has come out so well.